Eine Kaffee mit Milch.
Ah, danke.
Bitte. Ich bin Paul.
Und ich bin Joanne.
And this is the last day of our 7-day Learn a New Language Challenge using DuoLingo. And how have you been getting on?
Well, to be honest, I've been working all week and I haven't got on very well with it. I can't use it I've been too busy to actually have a break, but when I do get a little break, it's in a staff room full of people and I just can't do it. It just hasn't worked. And my naivety, I thought that I could walk down a corridor using it, but you can't because you have to type things in and it just doesn't work. So unfortunately, I haven't really done a lot, only a few bits in the evening. Ambition.
Well, I've been working all week too. The only difference is that I'm lucky that I've been able to work from home. So in my case, where I would have popped downstairs for my lunch and watched maybe the news, I popped downstairs and basically gone onto the tablet to pick things up. So whilst I have been using the free version with a lot of limitations and Joanne's had the full version, I think it's fair to say that I've had more of the lion's share when it comes to learning. I also managed, to be honest, DuoLingo is good, but it's not perfect. For example, he told me how to say my wife is a doctor. Well, my wife isn't. My wife is a midwife, which apparently is not. So if you were to saying it, but if I was to say it as you, du bist Hebamme. So you're a Hebamme.
I'm a Hebamme.
Hebamme. So there we are.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been fun. I think it's fair to say that we would both want to continue. I've now upgraded to the full family version, but I think it's fair to say that our pace is going to be somewhat different. And Joanne obviously is going to be picking it up in the evenings, weekends when she gets time, because she's still busy all the time. Whereas I've got the luxury of using my lunch breaks and coffee breaks. When I'm working from home, I'm going to have the same problems when I work in a hospital. But so far, I'm enjoying it, to be honest. You liking it or not? Mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings. I just don't think I can commit to it. But I could see it's something that I would probably, if you did have more time or retired, I would certainly. And the one thing I do like about it, you can dip in and out of it quite nicely, which is good. It saves where you left off. If you've got the full version. Not if you've got the free version. But I think for the money, which is £89,
I think, for the family up to 6 members.
For a year, I think it's quite good. And also the fact is you can actually, if you want to do that, you can do 2 or 3 languages at the same time.
Indeed, I've added
Paul's planning on
Klingon.
He's going to do Klingon apparently
and then
next
maybe
time.
Welsh.
And Welsh.
Yeah,
I think I'll just stick to maybe German and Italian.
I think I'll learn German before I start doing the Klingon, to be honest. So basically that's it, really.
And tomorrow
we are going to try and put this into practice as best as we can.
That'd be interesting.
Yeah. So I get confused, but I'm going to say Prost, and you're going to say Tschüss. Tschüss. So I think that means goodbye and whatever. We'll find out tomorrow. Could be completely wrong. We will see. In the meanwhile, Auf Wiedersehen. Sehr gut.